Let's have a quick example on dictionaries. In a hotel, we need to compute how many double rooms and single rooms a client will need. So let's print this equals sign 10 times and example 1 and equal sign other 10 times. And let's have our run here. Yes, this is our print, the first line in our output. We have a dictionary of clients. The first key is the name, the second key is the number of adults. The value of the first key is Alice, so our client's name is Alice, and she wants to reserve for 7 adults. So let's start computing our number of rooms. Let's have a variable here equal to clients dot get number of adults, just to have this value here, the value of number of adults. So let's have clients dot get the value from the key number of adults. If we print X here and have our run, it prints 7, yes. Let's start with an even number of adults, let's say 6. If the remainder of the division of X by 2 is equal to 0, which means that X is an even number. So let's have our double rooms equals the division of X by 2, this result. And of course, our single rooms will be 0. So the variable single rooms equals 0. So for our example here, the number of adults is 6. The remainder of 6 divided by 2 is 0. It is an even number. So the double rooms are 6 divided by 2, 3, and the single rooms equals 0. But what if we have an odd number, say 7? Let's have our else here. Shift tab for the else. Let's have those copy and paste here. The double rooms will be equal to X divided by 2 with the remainder truncated, and therefore we have those double slashes. So 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. We truncate the half and we have 3 double rooms. The single rooms will be the remainder of the division of X by 0. So we have here the remainder of X divided by 2 is 1. Because 7 divided by 2 gives 3 with a remainder 1. Let's have our print here now. Print using the F string, the double rooms equals, and have the value of our double rooms here between curly brackets, and let's have another string of single rooms. Another comma here with a placeholder or the curly brackets, the value of the single rooms. And let's have the run here. For 7 clients, we have 3 double rooms and 1 single room. Let's have here 8. And rerun, we have 4 double rooms and single rooms equals 0. Let's have another example on dictionaries. Our example 2 here is on a dictionary called subjects with keys, math and science, values 8 and 9 corresponding. So let's have another variable here, sum equals 0, because we intend to add 8 and 9. Let's have a for loop for this addition. So for introduce a counter, say num in subjects dot values, and have our empty brackets here in the end, have our colon for this for, have our sum plus equals num. In other words, sum equals sum plus num. After having the for loop completed, we simply print our sum. So here we are. Print sum. And let's have a run to make sure everything is going okay. Yes, 8 plus 9 equals 17 here. This concludes with our simple examples on dictionaries.